Connection, derived from trust. Quality, derived from focus. The guarantee full of energy, derived from us who desire a better life. Pursue excellence and dare to innovate. TEKA Technology was established in 2004, based in Shenzhen and facing the world. It has built a one headquarters and two bases pattern, including the headquarters in Shenzhen, the manufacturing base in Heyuan, Guangdong, and the manufacturing base in Zhumadian, Henan. The total area of the factory is 80,000 square meters. The building area is 120,000 square meters. We have fully automatic SMT production lines and assembly lines, more than 1,000 employees, and a daily production capacity of 220,000 units. With practical measures for sustainable and stable development, TEKA has built a modern technology enterprise integrating R&D, production, and sales.
制造业是立国之本、强国之基。作为一家制造业领域的高新技术企业，TEKA科技持续20年研发制造高品质电源，专注于高品质电源制造，为世界品牌商服务。
Deep cultivation builds a brand, and focus achieves quality. TEKA Technology specializes in the power supply manufacturing field, and its product applications cover 3C digital products, such as network equipment, audio equipment, smart household appliances, TV displays, two-wheel electric vehicles, industrial control power supplies, etc. With excellent product quality, it has passed more than 80 national certifications worldwide, such as UL, FCC, GS, CE, SAA, CTIC, PSE, KC, S-Mark, AOM, CCC. With the advantages of TEKA Technology resources, we have established long-term and stable cooperative relationships with domestic and foreign customers. On the long march of development, innovation is a banner of TEKA Technology. In order to maintain innovation vitality and achieve the company's rapid response capability to the market, TEKA Technology is committed to building a professional R&D team, establishing a technological R&D center, and equipping an independent laboratory. The strong 50-person R&D team operates in a multi-project development team model, providing a full process integrated R&D service, including product structure design, electronic design, and ID design. In addition, it conducts project cooperation with universities and scientific research units, such as Henan University and Guangdong University of Technology, to deepen university enterprise cooperation and empower enterprise R&D and innovation. It is precisely because of the continuous efforts and innovation in R&D that TEKA Technology has achieved continuous leapfrog development since its establishment in 2004, completing a successful transformation from a processing-oriented small and medium-sized enterprise to a national high-tech enterprise. TEKA has realized a modern and efficient manufacturing model of product automated production, fully automated optical inspection, ATE automatic testing, and automatic aging experiments. Although the process of sifting through countless of sands is arduous, only by blowing away the sands can gold be revealed. Up to now, TEKA Technology has more than 100 patents and a full range of safety compliance certificates in more than 80 major countries around the world. Thanks to the practical development concept, rich experience and technical reserves, perfect quality control system, and complete and efficient after-sales service system, The company's products are exported to more than 80 countries and regions around the world, such as North America, Europe, Australia, Japan, South Korea, etc., with its brand and quality. The journey of 10,000 miles is full of vigor, and the sails are raised to set off again. Looking forward to the future, TEKA Technology will adhere to the development strategy of focusing on high-quality power supply manufacturing and serving world brand merchants, and the business philosophy of quality first, service first. Continue to strive, forge ahead, accelerate the expansion of the global market, actively participate in international competition, shoulder the mission of rejuvenating the country through manufacturing, make contributions to the new era, and create new glories.